Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the simple process of adding a favicon to your Wix website. If you've ever wondered how to make your site stand out in browser tabs and give it a polished, professional touch, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find the favicon settings in Wix, what you need to update your favicon, and what the upgrade options look like. So let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged in and you've opened your Wix web design dashboard. This is your main staging area where all your creative work happens. If you've used Wix before, you'll probably recognize the layout immediately, but don't worry if you're new. Wix makes it pretty straightforward. Take a moment to confirm you're working on the right site, especially if you have more than one project in your account. Once you're in, move your attention up to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a search bar sitting quietly up there. Maybe you haven't noticed it before, but it's actually a super handy tool for finding features and settings quickly. Click on that search bar. This lets you skip hunting through menus and saves you a bunch of time. Now, go ahead and type the word favicon into the search bar. Just like Google, Wix will instantly pull up everything related to favicons within your website settings. If you're not familiar, a favicon is that little icon that shows up on browser tabs or bookmarks. It's a small detail that helps your site feel branded and trustworthy. Once the search results appear, look for the Add Favicon option and give it a click. No need to second guess here. Wix organizes these results so you can get straight to what you want. By clicking Add Favicon, you're jumping directly to the part of the settings where you can manage or modify your website's favicon. Here in the website settings, you'll notice an area that displays your current favicon. Maybe it's the generic Wix icon, or if you've never updated it before, it might be blank. This is where the magic happens. Adding your own custom favicon gives your brand identity a boost and makes your website easier to spot in a crowded browser tab, especially when visitors have lots of sites open. But here's a really important thing to know. Before you can upload or customize your favicon, Wix requires you to upgrade your plan. If you're using the free version, you'll see a notice or prompt explaining that this feature is available to paying customers. This might seem like a small hurdle, but it's Wix's way of encouraging users to take that next step toward unlocking advanced branding options. So, if you haven't upgraded yet, take a moment to think about your goals for the site. Investing in a Wix premium plan isn't just about favicons. You'll also get access to more professional features, improved support, and better customization down the line. But if you're not ready, no worries. You can still experiment and get a feel for where everything is, and come back whenever you're ready to make the switch. That's really all there is to it. You've now seen exactly how to locate and start customizing your Wix favicon, and you know what's needed to make it truly yours. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment with any questions you have, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.